Guys, we're here visiting some of my badgers that are being looked after by someone else. You can meet my cockatiel. Hello, Nina. Hello, Nina. He doesn't want to sing, guys. He's too excited seeing all his brothers and sisters. We'll have a look at all my other badgers here. As you know, I have aviaries, and now my birds are being looked after by other people because I suddenly became a carer. And but very soon, you know, I'll be taking them back home. And we have Princess here, guys. She's my ringneck. Princess, Mama, beautiful girl, beautiful princess, beautiful little girl. She's giving me kisses, guys. She's giving me kisses. Look at her kisses. Princess, 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 mama. Little girl. She's missing mommy, guys. Beautiful princess. She's kissing mommy. Those are her kisses. Kissing mommy. Look how she kisses mommy. And we're gonna see Brad Pitt now. And this is Bradley Pittsburgh. Brad Pitt. Bradley. Bradley. Brad. Now he came from a shelter, guys, so he's not yet used to humans. I think he was injured. He's got an injured wing, and I adopted him, guys. So here he is. He knows how to say good morning, goodbye, many other words, guys. He's very cute. But he can't fly, guys. He's injured permanently. And I saved him from being put down. And these are all my other badges, as you saw. And this is Nino. Nino, my pet cockatiel. The pet cockatiel here. Hello, Nino. Hello. He doesn't want to sing. He wants to talk on camera. What are you telling everyone? What do you want to tell everyone, Nino? He likes me to rub his cheek, guys, just behind the cheeks. Doesn't like it to pat his back or to touch his head. Just his cheek. Nino, Nino. He hasn't seen me for a while, guys. Doesn't want to sing today. He just wants to talk on camera, guys. And so next time he might sing. I will visit my other birds tomorrow. I have several aviaries, guys, many birds. But at the moment, like I said, they're being looked after by different people. And these are some of my birds. Anyway, guys, we're off to visit other people. We just came past to visit some of my birds. And we're off to the nursing home. Bye, guys.